Hello dear students, what's up you? Welcome back to my channel. I came to you today with another new creative questions which is related to chapter on 6 as according to your chemistry book. The question is given on the board. We can see that in an oxo acid hydrogen is 1.5% and nitrogen is 22.22%. That means here the percent composition of hydrogen and nitrogen is 1.59 and also 22.22%. Since this compound is oxo acid, that means the element of this compound having also the oxygen element. So only here the percent composition for nitrogen and hydrogen, but you have to find out the percent composition for oxygen element. Since we know that the total percent composition for a compound is 100%, the rest of percent composition for 100% it will be for the oxygen element. So here the given that hydrogen is equal to 1.59%, nitrogen 22.22%. Therefore, oxygen 100 minus 22.22 plus 1.59 the percent composition of oxygen element 76.19%. So we can find out the determination of molecular formula of the compound from the percent composition. So first of all we divide the percent composition of the elements by the respective atomic masses. So we can get hydrogen 1.59 divided by 1, since the atomic mass of hydrogen 1 is equal 1.59, nitrogen 22.22 divide 14, since the atomic mass of nitrogen 14. .59, and the last one of oxygen 76.19 divide 16 is 4.76. After that we we have to find out the ratio of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen elements. So we have to divide the quotients with smallest quotient. So we can write after that now we divide quotients by the smallest quotient for hydrogen. Since here the smallest quotient is 1.59, so we can get for hydrogen 1.59 divide 1.59, that means 1. Nitrogen 1.59 divide 1.59, that means 1, and also oxygen 4.76, 1.59 divided, that means 3. So we can see that the ratio of hydrogen, nitrogen and also carbon element 1:1:3. So we can write the ratio of hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen atom one is to 3. So that means we can write the empirical formula of the compound. Therefore, compound will be HNO3. So this is one kind of oxo acid. That means the compound is nitric acid, HNO3. So here the empirical formula of the compound is nitric acid, but you have to determine the molecular formula of the compound. Now you should remember one thing, that the mass of empirical formula is equal to be the molecular mass of for molecular formula, then the molecular formula of the compound is same as the empirical formula for that compound. So in case of this, you have to find out the molecular mass of for empirical formula. So therefore the mass of nitric acid one plus 14 plus 16 3, that means 63 gram. So we can see that the mass of empirical formula for nitric acid is 63, which is equal to the molecular mass. So we can say that the molecular formula of the compound So, the molecular formula of the compound is nitric acid. Now, come to the question of D, how we'll prepare a 0.5 molar and also 250 ml of the compound. In case of this, to solve these questions, we have a formula which is related to volume of solution and molecular mass of the compound and also the molarity of the solution. So we know that W equal MSV divide 1000. Here molarity is equal 0.25 molar. Volume V equal 250 milliliter. Molecular mass of nitric acid M equal 63 gram and the mass of solute nitric acid W equal what? So we can find out the mass of solute by using this formula and by putting this value of the requirements. M 63 is 0.525 here the value of W 4 gram. So from this calculation we can see that the mass of solute of nitric acid is 4 gram. So 4 gram nitric acid is required to prepare a 0.25 molar 250 ml of the compound. In case of this, this amount is taken in a beaker. Then you have to add 250 ml water. Then that will be the solution of 0.25 molar 200 ml of nitric acid. In this way, 0.25 250 ml of nitric acid is prepared. So see you next video. Please keep your eyes on my next video and please like, share, comments and also subscribe my channel to get more videos.